What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while, but it's nice to be back. We are loading up over here. We're heading to the pier here in a little bit. Gonna put some different clothes on, all that good stuff. Rumor has it there is still some cohos lingering around out there. We're gonna try to get our hands on some of those, as well as jig the riverside and see where the day takes us. So before we dive into the fishing, we are going to make a quick stop and show you guys something cool pretty quick. So stick around, see you guys in a minute. I'm gonna finish my lunch, see you there. What's going on, guys? Making a quick pit stop in the garage here to show you guys the FLEXIMOUNT GL1. This is a height adjustable 4-foot by 4-foot shelf. Not only super convenient, but it's also going to eliminate all your needs for any kind of step stools and ladders. On an 8-foot ceiling, this will actually go all the way to the floor. This is I've got 9-foot ceilings here, so there is a bit of a gap. However, this is about halfway up. As you guys can see here, this is adjustable by hand. We have the hand system here to bring this shelf up and down. The other option that you guys are about to see right here is if you have an extra drill laying around, you can actually hook it up and use your electric drill to speed up the process. So believe it or not, guys, it looks like there's a lot happening here with this shelf. However, the install process was actually super easy. This came with a template that you literally just put up on the wall or the studs, rafters, whatever you got that you're gonna mount this shelf on. This was extremely easy to do with one person. Wasn't too much a hassle at all. If you do have a second person, that's gonna make it even a bit easier. But other than that, the install process on this was super easy. Let's go ahead and dive in and give you guys a closer look at this thing. This shelf is rated up to 300 pounds. So you guys can put a whole assortment of stuff on here. Everything from your lawnmowers, whatever stuff that you guys might have laying around. It can all go right on this shelf. For those of you guys that follow our channel, you know we are constantly fishing, which requires a ton of extra gear. That's what I will be using my FLEXIMOUNT GL1 for. I'm gonna take out all of my out of season equipment and even some in-stuff equipment like the kayak we have over here. I'm gonna take it and get it off the floor on this shelf and all the way up to my ceiling. All right, we got this thing loaded up. Definitely could be more strategic and get quite a bit more things on here to utilize the space better. However, this is a quick load. Wanted to give you guys a look at exactly what this looks like. Time for the most satisfying part. Horrible time for a battery to die. There it is, everything up, off the floor, on my ceiling and completely out of the way. Let's go have some fun. I'm gonna load up all my fishing stuff. See you guys on the water.